Queen Camilla reassured she was on the mend as she conducted her first public engagement after contracting a nasty chest infection. Camilla said she was determined to meet this year's Booker Prize finalists at Clarence House despite picking up a seasonal bug which has laid her low for the past week. She has, however, been forced to pull out of attending the global premiere of Gladiator II on Wednesday with the King and from attending a birthday event with him on Thursday. She is also ensuring those engagements she is managing to attend are shorter than planned in order to manage her recovery. Arriving in the garden room at Clarence House yesterday Her Majesty was immediately asked how she was feeling by Gabby Wood, Chief Executive of the Booker Prize Foundation. "I am getting much better," she said. "Bit of sort of coughing going on, but I really wanted to be here." The Queen missed remembrance events at the weekend on doctor's advice to ensure a full recovery from a seasonal chest infection and to protect others, the palace said. A source said she had also tweaked her diary this week to protect and prioritize her continued recovery, with royal doctors keen to prevent any setback from the seasonal illness. Wearing a white frilled collar shirt by me and M and a black pinafore by Fiona Clare, the Queen met Ms. Wood and Edmund de Waal, chair of the 2024 judging panel, at the entrance to the garden room. She posed for photographs with the 6 finalists before speaking to them in turn. Her Majesty told them she was determined to be here today as she was so impressed by their writing. Camilla, who coughed a handful of times during the engagement, had been due to host the finalists at a reception, but due to her lingering symptoms, she instead met them for a brief chat which lasted just under 15 minutes. Second-time finalist Percival Everett, author of James, thanked the Queen for meeting them all today and inquired about her health. She told him, "I am on the mend. These things always take a bit of time to get rid of. But hopefully I am on the mend now." Speaking to Mr. Percival and Rachel Kushner, who has also previously been nominated for the Leading Literary Award, she told them it was quite the achievement to be back here again. "I've been lucky," Mr. Percival said to much laughter, promoting the Queen to rebuke him and say, "No, I don't think it's lucky. It's skill. Skill counts for quite a lot of it. All of it actually. There's no luck involved here. You must be brilliant at your job to get a second nomination." The Queen also chatted about her recent trip down under with the King with Australian novelist Charlotte Wood, and told her, "We had a lovely time in Sydney. It was so lovely to get such a warm welcome." The author of Stone Yard Devotional said, "Everyone was very excited to see you." Turning to speak to Anne Michaels, author of Held, she remarked at the high number of women shortlisted for the prize, with only one male among the 6 finalists. After speaking to each of the finalists, the Queen joked about the judges and noted that de Waal is such a brilliant writer and told him, "I loved your latest book.